Hi there and welcome back to my channel. This is G and you're watching Disney Channel. Let's go. Hi everyone, this is G and welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are going to do a mukbang. But before anything else, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and to keep you updated for my future videos, please click the notification bell button below. So, without further ado, tara, kada, let's G! So yun na nga, we are going to do a mukbang, and the reason behind this is magse-celebrate kasi ako kasi last April 21, I received an email which says that I got in. Parang taas nung I got in. I got it. Tapos, yun. Gusto ko lang mag-celebrate ng small celebration to wala lang, para ko sa'yo. Gusto ko lang mag-mukbang to celebrate that achievement. So, simulan na natin ang mukbang. Nagpapawisan ako grabe. And for this mukbang, we have kimchi bombap, which I ordered from SKZ Kitchen. So, shout out sa inyo. Thank you very much for this wonderful kimchi bombap. And then, we have spam, fried egg, seaweed, how do you call this? Nori. Bean. And this topper, which is also from SKZ Kitchen. SKZ Kitchen, thank you very much for saving this vlog. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano gagawin ko. Kasi tinatawa talaga ako magluto.
I love to cook.
Sige. Ako yung nagluto ng spam at ito. Sige, yun lang. I love cooking. Let's start with go. Let's go. Let's do this. Parang hindi ako sanay mag-mukbang, pero let's try this. Let's try this. Alam mo masama daw eh. Yung may hawakan ng kutsara, may hawak ng kimchi. Dapat. Ay, kimchi. May hawak kang may hawak kang chopsticks. So, let's dig in with our first bite. And let's make it big bite. Big boy. Gusto mo yun? Big boy. Wow. Wow. So, dahil ko habang nag-mukbang. So, yung sa lasa niya, masarap siya. Paano mo mag-describe ng pagkain? Parang sabi lang, okay lang. Hindi ko naman first time kumain ng kimchi bombap. Pero, yun, parang naalala ko lang yung mga na-try ko ng kimchi bombap. And, this is amazing. Ano siya, meron siyang anghang. Alam mo yun? Pero bearable siya for those na parang sensitive for spicy food. Pwede nyo siyang itry. Super sarap, promise. Hindi ka magsisisa. Let's try it with spam. Okay lang. Tama lang. And ginaganyan din. Oh. Oh. May pa kaya ko tumbol. Kimchi! Speaking of kimchi, pag-usapan natin kung kailan ba yung first time na nakatingin tayo ng kimchi. Ako, nung bata ako, mahilig kasi si mama sa K-drama. Nung mahilig daw sa K-drama. Bago pa dumating lahat ng K-pop na yan, si mama nanonood ng Princess Arts, ng My Girl, Boys Over Flowers, Lovers in Paris. So, yon. Mahilig siya sa K-drama. And, one time, bumili siya ng kimchi, tapos nilagay niya sa ref. Eh, diba, super malakas yung amoy ng kimchi. So, when I opened the fridge, nandun yung kimchi sa ref, tapos, grabe yung amoy, hindi ko kaya, as in. Pero, nung natikman ko siya, parang, medyo mahilig kasi ako sa spicy food. Natry ko yung kimchi and, nagustuhan ko siya, ng konti. Pero, yung love ko for kimchi talaga, parang, as time goes by, mas nag-grow siya. Mas nag-grow. So, now, na-share ko na yung story ko. It's your time to share your story and comment it down below. Okay? Paano ba ang kimchi? Kimchi is seasoned and fermented vegetable using salted water. Using with salt water. Let's try it with egg. Let's try it with egg. Alam niyo yung best thing about kimchi? Pwede siya kahit anong gawin mo. Pwede mo na siya kainin as is. So, pwede mo siya isama sa fried rice. Meron din tayong tinatawag na kimchi jjigae. Tapos, pwede mo din siya gawing pancake. Just a quick fun fact. Alam niyo ba na ang kimchi was selected as one of the world's top 5 health foods? Now you know. Kasi yung kimchi daw kasi contains probiotics or specifically yung lactobacillus. And by eating this, we get to have these health benefits. So, isip-isip ka na, kailangan mo na kumain ito. Okay, there you go. Let's put some. Kita ba? Hindi siya kita. So, in Korea, there is what we call Kimjang culture. So, ano nga ba ito? Ang ginagawa ng mga Koreans is that they gather yung mga family or relatives, nagsasama-sama sila para gumawa ng kimchi during the winter or late fall. Diba? Ang saya. And on December 5, 2005, the UNESCO Intangible Heritage Committee designated Kimjang culture as an intangible cultural heritage of mankind. You get it? You get it? Yes! If I'm going to describe this food, it's delicious. So, in Filipino, we say, masarap. In Korea, we say, mashiso. Mashiso. Mashiso directly translates to mat, which means flavor, and isto, which means there is. So, there is flavor. So guys, yun na nga. Sorry, hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Nagulat kasi ako, parang I thought I can eat this, but I can't. So, sorry. Tony, pasok. Hindi ko siya kaya ubusin. Pero, I'll make sure that this food won't go to waste. I'll do something about it. And